Continuation of exercise 1.1 third sum. Answer sheet number, page number is 6. Consider the following sets. A is equal to curly bracket 0, 3, 5, 8. B is equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 10. And C is equal to curly bracket 12, 14, 18, 20. State whether true or false. Question 1. Whether 18 is an element of C. In the set C, check whether 18 element is there. Yes, therefore true. 6 is not an element of A. Check A set, 6 is not there. So this statement is true. 14 is not an element of C. But 14 is in C, but in the question it is given not an element. So this statement is false. 10 is an element of B. Go to the set B, check 10. So it is given correctly, so therefore true. Fifth question, 5 is an element of B. 5 is not here, but they have said 5 belongs to B. False. 0 is an element of B. Check whether 0 is in B. No. So this statement is false. In question number 3, A we have completed. Now come to B. Fill in the blanks. 3 belongs to dash. Check 3 is in which set? 3 is in set A. Therefore 3 belongs to A. 14 belongs to, check which set 14 present in C. So you have to write C here. 18 dash B. Whether 18 is in B? No. No means is not an element. So you have to put element sign and put cut. 4 dash B. Check whether 4 is in set B. Yes. So element B. Question number 4. Represent the following sets in roster form. A is the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. So even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. You should not write 20 because in the question it is given less than 20. So you have to stop up to 18. Next question is B is equal to set Y such that Y is equal to 1 by 2n. N belongs to or element of capital N. What is capital N? Natural numbers, where n is lesser than or is equal to 5. First, we must write what is the meaning of n lesser than or is equal to 5. That means n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural numbers given means you should start with 1 and here equal sign lesser than or equal 5. So equal means 5 also we have to write. And what is the element? How do you find the element? Y is equal to 1 by 2n is given. N, take first value n as 1. So you substitute y is equal to 1 by 2. N means you must multiply the value of 1 here. 2 into 1 is 2. Next n takes the value 2. Substitute in y is equal to 1 by 2n. So 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Next n is equal to 3. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 is equal to 1 by 6. Next n is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 1 by 2. In the place of n substitute 4. 1 by 2 into 4 is 8. Next take n is equal to 5. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into 5 is equal to 1 by 10. This is a rougher to understand how to find the elements for the second question. So question is given in set builder form or rule form. We have to write in roster form. So follow the rough work, write the answers as elements in the curly bracket. Third question is C is equal to curly bracket x such that x is perfect cube, 27 less than x, 216. Perfect cube, follow the rough work. So 1 cube is equal to 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Like that 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. But here the condition is x should take value after 27. After 27, what is the cube value? So 1 we should not take, 8 we cannot take, 27. After 27, we should write 64 and 125. 216 we should not write because no equal sign given here, no equal sign given here. So 27 don't write, 216 don't write. After 27, cube value is 64 and 125. So that is the roster form in C. Next, D is equal to x such that x belongs to integers. Integers means integers means negative value, positive value and 0. So here condition given for x minus 5 lesser than x, lesser than or is equal to 2. So after minus 5, no equal sign given, so don't write minus 5. After minus 5, what are the numbers? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 we have to include, equal sign is given.